Here we go, fellas. The big moment, the wheel reveal. So, here we go.
So I'm about to spend a lot of money. So I've been trying to figure out what the next part for the car should be, and I was thinking 326 Power Wing, since there's only one other F30 I know that runs it. I was gonna plan on ordering it literally tonight, and I have completely changed my mind, and I'm about to pull the trigger on some 3-piece wheels. I'm pulling the trigger.
All right, boys, the day has come, or the night has come. BMW is getting brand new wheels. It's hype. It's been about a year and a half in the making. Finally got everything we need. Got the spacers, got all the settings pretty much dialed where we want them. Wheels just need to go on at this point, so Andrew's stoked, yeah?
If they don't go on tonight, I'm selling the car.
Be a lookout on Marketplace.
This is the last time you will see the F30 on these wheels.
Yeah, I wouldn't speak too soon, dude.
Hopefully this is the last time. But this is how she's sitting right now.
The video of us maxing out the Camber to the most we can possibly do is out right now. That's why it's sitting, looks like she's bow-legged right now, but new wheels are going on, so hopefully the specs line up and we should be good to go. Andrew's about to drive her up on some blocks, and we're gonna try to jack it up, so let's do it.
Yeah, man, he's putting blocks on the bad car. Got to.
This is max aired up.
Just air up, man.
This is max aired up, and I have like good clearance. I have really good clearance.
Air up, man. Just air up.
Shut up, man.
Just air up. Air it up. Wheels are right over there. Can't see them though.
Great success.
Good job, man.
Oh, dude. We're almost done.
Yeah, we're done. Holy cow. New wheels are on, guys. New wheels are on. We got the same ones, just better condition. Let's go. All right, it wasn't a success. We need more blocks. You didn't do good, man. More blocks. More wood, please. You got it, dude. I promise.
You think so?
Shirt's available for pre-order right now. Go check it out. Much better. Good job. Take two. Moment of truth.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Plenty of clearance, mate. Plenty of clearance.
It only took stacking two 2x4s.
Yeah, it works.
I mean, it's a 4x4.
Nope, it works. Here she goes. All right, strong man.
Out with the old one.
Come on, man. Strong man. Let's see it.
What do you mean? They're already broken loose.
No, they're not, dude. That was fully tight.
Yeah,
Holy
actually,
cow,
yeah.
that was insane, dude.
Whoever
Fully
told-
tight lug nuts.
Whoever
That's
told
so
you you need
cool.
to torque your lug nuts down was lying to you.
No, that was fully torqued to 90 pounds. and
Yeah,
it's
watch.
just-
See the veins?
Yep. Jeez Louise. Wait. Before you do this, just know, this is the last time that wheel will be on that car.
Dude, if you say it one more time, you're gonna jinx it, and I'm not driving this car ever again. I just ruined the fender. Sorry, Rob. Help.
Andrew made a pretty good point. We've had about 17 one more times, or 17 one more things, or 100 10 minutes, 10 seconds.
Look at how misshaped the inside of this tire is.
No, it's just been a process that we've prolonged. So, like the video right now. This is a like the video checkpoint. Okay. No, this has just been a process. So definitely like the video because a lot's been leading up to it. We've been working hard to get to this point. So you don't see a lot of the behind the scenes stuff because it would be a 16-month video. But we're almost there, guys. We're almost there.
These are the adapters. These got to run. Shout out Nick.
Yeah, for real. Nick is a G. The original adapters I bought, they don't have this conical shaped hole right here. So when we were trying to put these BMW lug nuts in, they wouldn't sit flush, so they protruded, and we couldn't bolt the wheel up to the face of this because it wasn't flush. So that's why we added another week to this video schedule. Everyone keeps texting me every week, dude. Why aren't the wheels on, man? It's like a different problem every 25 seconds. So
But these will sit flush now. Even though they're a little bit
they're
more
thick.
of a spacer adapter combo than we wanted, it's still going to work. And we just want the wheels on.
Yeah, I don't really care if the wheels fall off as long as they're on for a video.
And the wheels are going on. That's what's happening. 3 pieces, 3 spoke, 2 wheels, 3 chances.
1 channel.
1 channel, 3-piece wheels,
2 dudes.
2 guys, 1 channel. 2 guys. 3-piece wheels. 4 wheels. 3 series.
4 cylinders.
4% female subscribers. It's going down right now on the No Trust Clique channel. Check it out.
I forgot which side I was using.
That's all I'm good for, just hitting the brake. This kid's horn doesn't work. This thing's a piece of junk, dude. The horn doesn't work. What's up with that?
Oh, does the horn actually not work when it's turned off? I didn't know that. I think I've used the horn twice in my entire life.
The horn doesn't even freaking work, dude. I was gonna scare you. Didn't work. Anyway.
I'm trying to convince myself that I've torqued this spacer on here or this adapter on here enough. And I can't do it.
You mean to feel it, man?
Yeah.
You mean to try?
Yeah.
I'm off brake duty. Let's go!
Because at least, if it falls off after this, it's like both of our faults.
Nope, I'm not touching it. All right, the wheel is going on. I can't show you the other angle because it's going to give it away, and we need you guys to watch the entire video, so be engaged.
Leave a like.
Yep, leave a like. Nope, but the wheel's going on, actually. I can't show you the other angle because it's really going to give it away, but I'll give you a little camber fit check. And we still got some more dialing in to do. You're getting a nice lip view and a nice thigh view.
Oh, yeah, that might need a little more camber. That's unfortunate.
Any more?
Yeah, even more into the double digits.
All right, let's go. So, basically, we got to use open-ended lugs on here because the ones we bought that are over there, they're not deep enough. So, Andrew's going with the open-ended.
They're ugly, but at least we can torque them on, and the wheel won't fall off.
Yeah, oh well. He's getting spiked lugs tomorrow, so he's gonna stick them on.
Yeah.
Passenger side. Number 2 wheel going on. Let's go. 1 year in the making, fellas. I'm putting this one on, so this one is mine. Forever the right wheel on this car will be mine.
The one with the tread facing the wrong way.
Nope, it's not. Because that's for rain, and we're not driving this car ever. This car will not be driving in the rain, snow, sleet, hail,
sunshine.
Clouds. No, can do. Like a glove. Why is this one going to fit better?
You gotta push the bottom in. What just happened? Focus.
All right, drop it down.
This kid's qualified.
Did you stop filming? Are you kidding me right now? This is not what I pay you for.
You don't pay me at all, man.
Yes, I do. See these wheels? I'm putting them on for you.
Pay me in labor.
Yeah, I didn't get paid to help you last time. Damn it.
Yeah, we actually did.
Like my sitting stance?
We actually did put in a good 11-hour shift last time with the Camber video. If you haven't watched it, go watch it.
This lug will not go on, so we're just going to JB weld it. I'm JB Weld certified, actually. Didn't know you were in the presence of a certified JB welder. 6 hours online schooling. Certificate.
No hands-on. No hands-on.
No experience needed. Certified JB welder. ISO. My 240's for sale. Go buy it immediately. Cut the clip. Cut the clip. It's gonna be a tight fitment, but no one ever complained about tight. Am I right? Put her down. Man, I wish I could show you these wheels because they look good. Man, they're purty. They are purty wheels. I just can't show you right now. I'm under contractual agreement.
Yeah, we got a serious issue.
Are those low?
It is flat.
Ooh.
Look.
That's good. So, as you just heard, tire's flat. Put air in it, but there's the problem. Major problems. Bubbles. Not good. Took some soapy water, sprayed it. It's not a good sign. As of now, we're going to take that tire, or that wheel, to the tire shop. Get them to check it out. Make sure they didn't screw anything up or bend the wheel or anything. Because it is beaded. It's just slowly leaking by the bead. We have an extra tire. We'll see if they can throw it on there. And if it fixes the leak. But it's not leaking fast enough that it would cause a great issue. So we're still going to be able to just put them all on there, I think. But I think we're going to try to just fix it before it comes into a bigger issue. For now, we're just going to put the other one on. Leave the bad one off. Take it to the tire shop in the morning.
See if the rears will even fit.
Yeah, I just want to see if one side will fit. Because if this side doesn't fit, then we know then we're just wasting our time.
And I hate wasting my time. My precious time. I'm dark now.
Offset math, because both of them are 9s, except that one has an inch of an adapter. So a regular person, there's no way that fits. But this one has lower offset, so technically it sits further out on the fender. So the other one should theoretically make up for it by poking less with higher offset.
Yep.
All right, fixed in tow. So we can drive very far to the tire shop.
I was going the wrong
Just kidding, we're not going to the tire shop.
This thing can't make it to the damn tire shop, that's for sure.
But we're fixing the tow. Fixing the alignment.
Hand
We
tight.
gonna get it there.
Hand tight is tight.
Yep, or stripped. Hand tight or stripped.
No one ever complained about tight, am I right? So we ran into an issue. I'll just show you what we got going on. Basically, this adapter that we're running is pretty thick, but the lugs are still not short enough. They stick out from here. Even though the fronts work, these lugs are longer, and Andrew doesn't know where his stock ones are.
I ain't seen him in a long time, dude.
So
We gotta go buy shorter ones tomorrow. And then hopefully, I don't know. We gotta buy short lugs tomorrow. We gotta try mounting a spare tire that I have, see if it'll stop leaking. And if both of those go according to plan, we might have the car finished after a year and a half.
So with that said, see you guys in the morning. All right, so we're at the tire shop. Found out the tire does in fact have a chunk missing out. I'll see if I can get a clip of it or something once we get the tire back. But luckily Andrew had another tire. They're mounting it right now, so definitely saved ourselves a lot of time and money, or saved him a lot of time and money. But we should be good now after we leave here. We already picked up the lugs, going straight back to the house, putting the spacers on, the adapters, and we should be good to go. So we'll see what happens. All right, made it back to the house. Andrew is putting the other spacer or adapter on, but I'll show you the chunk that was missing. Hold on. This was our issue right here. This is why it would not seat properly, and it was still leaking air. He said he was going to try to patch it with this goo stuff, but it's not really working too hot. There's still a pretty large chunk. Pretty good little look at it right there, though. So that was the issue. All fixed.
Let's see if we can get them on.
What do you think, man? World's darkest kid right now. Character not unlocked.
Y'all better really like this, because it wasn't worth it. It wasn't worth it.
Yeah, you're not unlocked right now, man. Let me know who's talking to me. It's the last one, though. Number 4 going on. And then, car wash time, yeah? Car wash?
See if we can make it to the car wash.
Yeah, we'll make it. It's all good.
It's going to be for sale on Facebook Marketplace if this doesn't work. Ain't that right?
Mhm.
That's how you jack up a car, man.
You hyped, man?
Yeah. High energy video, high energy wheels, high energy channel.
This video's taken about a year and a half to make.
Yeah, I think I ordered these about a year ago. The lips are what took 8 months to come in. And then by the time I got everything together, finally got them built, realized we needed new hardware.
But now look at you. You're putting the last one on. Oh, you can see a little lip right there, yeah.
Oh, shoot.
Made it to the car wash. He drove. It's a miracle. Actually drives significantly better than we thought, but alignment's still definitely off, and the fitment's not exactly dialed in to where we want it, but it's good enough to reveal the wheels to everybody. So he's gonna wash his car now, finally.
I don't have any money.
Oh, he has no money, so we're not gonna wash the car. Never mind.
Yep, he's got the cash now. Never mind, we're all good.
I had to work a corner. This took 5 hours to get.
Yep, it's been another week. Back at the car wash. There she sits. Not too bad. A little weird fitment, but yeah.
This thing dirty.
Like and subscribe.
It's a very dirty car, and he's finally gonna wash it. It's a great day. We're shooting at a spot like right over past that building. It's a pretty cool spot though. It's got some like overgrown brush and stuff. It's pretty sick. So after we wash this thing, get into the spot. A cop just pulled up there though, so if the spot gets compromised, then we're just gonna have to take the wheels off and wait another year. But at least it's getting washed. My God.
We made it to the spot. Aired the car out slowly. The front needs a little bit. The front needs a little bit more top camber to make it actually sit happily. Or maybe I just buy a front lip. Either way.
Like I said before, it's not exactly the way. It's not ideal fitment, but it's good enough to definitely show what the wheels will look like on the car. Of course, we're gonna get some more dialing done later on, but for now, it's definitely good enough to show the wheels and stuff. Doesn't look trashy. So here we go, fellas. The big moment, the wheel reveal. So here we go.